G'day, Graham here. Now, what would you do if you heard some snoring at night time? You looked around and no one was snoring at your house. So you went outside to find the source of the snoring, and it seemed that the snoring was coming from the sky. What would you do? Now, apparently, quite a few countries have experienced snoring coming from the sky. You see, some people in Hungary, Canada, Malaysia, the UK, and lots of other countries have heard really weird noises coming from the sky. So that people go out of their houses and they hear really weird noises. Noises that you would normally not hear, and it's coming from the sky. Have a listen to this little clip. It's scary, it's scary. Wow, pretty scary, isn't it? I'll have the links down below of different YouTube videos and news links so you can read that about other really scary noises coming from the sky which people have not heard before. Now, some people say it's the American research facility called HAARP. They say that is causing these strange noises. Now, HAARP, the purpose of HAARP, they say, is to excite the ionosphere. Okay, why would you want to excite the ionosphere? It's a bit weird. So, my friends, what do you think is the source of the snoring in the sky? That would freak me out if I heard that. It sure would. So anyway, my friends, the links are down there, and for you to have a look, and I'll put another link up here, an annotation, so you can look at it. So if you heard snoring coming from the sky, what would you do? It'd freak me out. Anyway, my friends, take care, stay safe. Bye for now.
Write me, comment me, love me, and subscribe. Subscribe to